Make sure to stay until the end. We will explain a secret how you can easily fix an oil leak and how one little bitty component that costs only a few dollars can destroy your engine and cause multiple oil leaks. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes C-Class. It could be practically any generation C-Class, anything from year 1994 or 95 all the way to currently year 2022. If you have one of those guys and you have an oil leak, we'll explain what is one of the easiest way to fix that without replacing gaskets, without removing it, and one thing that can cause multiple oil leaks that can slowly destroy your engine. Stay with us and we'll explain what it is. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We're constantly getting new cars, we're constantly working on something. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for your car, Mercedes, any model guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools, supplies from, and you can guys save a fortune. So guys, what we have here, that specifically is a 2013 Mercedes C-Class. Doesn't matter if you have a diesel or gasoline engine guys, sooner or later you will start developing oil leaks. You think I'm kidding? Okay, I'm not. Usually at around 100,000 miles, oil leaks will start creeping. They will slowly start developing. Where you can easily develop an oil leak? Okay, some things can include a valve cover gasket, variable timing actuators, oil filter housing on the back, oil pan, multiple places you can develop guys oil leaks. Now let's explain. There is one thing that can easily cause oil leaks and most people will never replace it, but actually you're supposed to replace it quite often. This is known as a PCV valve. PCV valve guys, we have a special video that explains the symptoms of bad PCV valve. What is a PCV valve? Because that PCV valve, if it fails, you can develop multiple oil leaks and you can slowly practically destroy your engine guys. So check out the video, it will teach you all about that. Now what we use here for oil leak and to prevent oil leaks on high mileage engines, motor oil saver by Leaky Moly guys. This thing is a life-saving additive. It reduces oil consumption, it fixes oil leaks. We've used it on some Volkswagen with a friend of mine that was leaking like crazy. I'm not kidding, it had puddles all over the floor when we parked the car. We had that additive. One fuel tank later, okay, there was only just a few drops practically of oil leaks, and it was practically healed. It was unbelievable. What that thing does, it makes the gaskets pliable, soft again, expands them, because gaskets guys are exposed to tremendous amount of heat, and that rubber will start shrinking. It will become not pliable, not flexible, it can even crack, and as a result, okay, that can cause oil leaks. So this thing expands them and makes the rubber soft again. We'll recommend before you do that, do an oil change, but before you change your oil, guys, use Leaky Moly engine flush. This thing is amazing. It's a really good additive. We weren't a believer in that additive until we used it ourselves. We made a special video that explains, does Leaky Moly engine flush work, demonstrated on Porsche Cayenne. Okay, it had almost 200,000 miles. We removed the valve cover to put new gaskets, and what to tell you guys, the engine looked like new on the inside. We were amazed. So it's amazing guys. Always use oil that's approved for your specific Mercedes model. Leaky Moly oil is one of the best ones that we use here at the garage. It's not sponsored guys, we purchase those things by ourselves. Okay, the oil, additive and engine flush, okay, it's not sponsored by Leaky Moly, and just additives that we see they work quite often and we decided to share it with you. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.